Hi, everyone. Hillary from Keller Williams Mountains to Sound. Today, I'm going to talk to you about investment properties. You do not have to be a real estate investor to gain knowledge about investment properties or to even try being a real estate investor. And I'm really hoping to prove that to you at the end of the month at my workshop. So, if you're caring for a loved one's home and you're staring down a lot of deferred maintenance, this may be the workshop for you. If you're curious about investing, from maybe someday building a detached dwelling unit on your property, or even investing out of state, just trying something, maybe some place that's a little less expensive, this may be a place for you. If you have a property that may or may not need a lot of work, but might be on the border of being an investment property, again, there's a seat for you in here. You do not have to be an avid real estate investor to learn something. So on January 31st from 12:30 to 3:30, and the first half hour is lunch and networking, you can meet people that might be more advanced than you in real estate investing or starting out and just curious about what this means. We have a place for you. Robert can go over financial strategies and options. I'll go over about how to get started. And if you are an seasoned investor, I would love to have you in the room to ask questions and share your insights. And again, if you are a project manager, a property manager, an attorney, a wealth manager, someone who is a general contractor, a contractor, why don't you come and network? See the people that might be working with you someday. Find those opportunities. So I welcome you on January 31st at the Keller Williams Mountains to Sound office. And I will be there. And if you're interested with my colleague Robert, there is a link below to sign up. And I really hope to see you there. Have a wonderful day. I promise this is a safe environment to ask questions, gain clarity, and to meet new people.